guys, today I draw candy cron very easily. Let's go start. At first, draw upside down letter V shape, then draw a curved line and connect them. Now draw its eye, circle, draw another circle. Now draw a circle, draw another small circle. Same process, another circle, draw a small circle. Color black. Also color black. Now draw a smiling face. Guys, our drawing is complete. Now color it. Now draw orange color. Draw borderline. First. Guys, now I draw yellow color. At first, draw with pencil color. Guys, if you are new viewers, please do subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page. You can send me super chat or super sticker. I will draw a picture with your name, first letter. You can hype this video, guys. Everyone hype this video, and if you love this video, please like this video and comment your name. You can also share this video with your friend. Guys, our drawing is complete. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video.